the older I get, the more I think you only get a minute, better live while you read, 'cause it's gone in a blink. And the older I get, the truer it is. It's the people you love, not the money and stuff that makes you rich. And if they found the fountain of youth, I wouldn't drink a drop, and there's the truth. Funny how it feels, I'm just getting to my best years yet. The older I get, the fewer friends I have. But you don't need a lot when the ones that you got have always got your back. And the older I get, the better I am at knowing what to give, when to just not give a damn. And if they found a maiden of youth, I wouldn't drink a drop, and that's the truth. Funny how it feels, I'm just getting to the best years yet. The older I get. And I don't mind all the lines from all the times I've laughed and cried. Souvenirs and little signs of the life I've lived. The older I get, the longer I pray. I don't know why, I guess that I got more to say. And the older I get, the more thankful I feel for the life I've had, and all the life I'm living still. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sore Fingers again with you for the hopefully interesting country and western one for you here. A song called The Older I Get from Alan Jackson. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the original key of D that he recorded the song in. Okay, so without more to do, let me break down how to play the song. A nice simple song, basically it's just got 3 chords in it, okay? So it shouldn't take you too long to get through this one. Right then, boys and girls, the intro. So starting off with a D strum, 4 downwards. Then we play this top E string, 2nd fret. Two times on that. And 2 times on the open top E string. Then you play the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, okay, so it's got that, and then another strum on the D, okay, then you repeat that, okay, so it's from the beginning, when we get to that point, the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, you go to a G chord, and you go basically from 6 down to 2. Okay? You need to finish on that 2nd string open, okay? So now you've got this. Then what I'm doing is this. Obviously on the record there's more instruments than just a single guitar, so I have to make my own arrangement of this slightly. So So what am I doing there? I'm doing some double stops. The first finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 3rd top E string, 3rd fret, and my second finger is playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string, the G string, and I'm picking the 3rd string with my pick and plucking the top E string with my finger. And you pluck the two together, and then we go down to that 2nd on the 3rd, 2nd on the top E. So 2nd on the 3rd string, the G string, and 2nd on the top E string. So you got, and then the open 3rd and open top E together. Okay, and we play an A chord. Okay, so it's two hits on each. No, it's only one on that one. Sorry, one on the last one, and then an A strum, A chord strum 5 downwards. Okay, and then you repeat that. Do that twice. Okay, so far. Right, and the final bit is, so that's that 2nd on the 3rd, 2nd on the top E together, two hits on that, and then open 3rd top E string, open, 2 hits on that, and then that 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then the D chord. And that's my introduction. Okay, so let's do it again very slowly. Stop, and he comes in with the first verse, D chord. The older I get, the more I G. I'm playing at 4 finger G or a normal G is fine, doubling up on the top 2 strings, 3rd fret if you want to, or you just a straightforward G, whichever. Okay. The older I get, G, the more I think. You only get a chord, minute, better live while you're in it, cause you've got in a deep blink. Repeat that whole thing. The older I get to G, the truer it is. It's the people you love and the money and stuff that makes you D rich. Got it? That's the first verse and the first chorus, and we're well into the song now. Okay, so we'll just go through that whole thing again, right from the beginning. Okay, so here we go. Nice and slowly. The older I get, the more I think. You only get a minute, better live while you're in it, cause it's gone in a blink. And the older I get, the truer it is. It's the people you love, not the money and stuff that makes you rich. Right, now we're going into the chorus, okay? And that goes into a G. And if they found as G, so again it can be a 4-finger G or a straightforward 3-finger G, it's up to you, okay? Where it comes into ridge. And if they found fountain of D, you wouldn't drink at A drop, and that's the D. True. Funny how it G feels like just getting D2. The best years are yet A. That's the chorus, and it goes into another verse. Okay, so do that chorus again. And if they G found a fountain of D, I wouldn't drink a drop, and that's the D true. Funny how it G feels, I'm just getting D2. My best year's A, yeah. Stop. The older and off into another verse, exactly the same to play as verse 1, different words. Get fewer friends I have, but you don't need a lot when the ones that you got have always got your back. And the older I get, the better I am at knowing when to give and when not to give a damn. Another chorus. And if they found a fountain of youth, I wouldn't drink a drop, and that's the truth. Funny how it feels, I'm just getting to my best years yet. The older I get. Now this is a sort of instrumental bit, okay, and I've done my own bit on this as well, because it's sort of a lap steel guitar type thing. So I go from the A, where it goes, the older I G, just play the G, and what I'm doing there is the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, open 2nd string. Okay, so it's to a D chord. So it comes, that last line is where it goes, funny how it feels, I'm just getting to the best views yet. The older I get. Okay, D chord. That's the 2nd fret, 3rd string, open 3rd string, 4th fret, 4th string, D string. So 2nd fret, 3rd string, open 3rd string, and then the 4th fret of the 4th string, the D string. Right, so it's okay, then I'm playing an A chord. Then I'm hitting that 2nd on the 4th string, sliding it up to the 4th fret and back again to the 2nd. And back to the D. Okay, so the whole from that beginning of the solo. And now we play the next bit. That's the 4th fret of the 4th string, open 3rd, 2nd on the 3rd, G chord. And then a slide from 4 on the 3rd to 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, to a D chord. Okay, so right from the beginning. And I'm doing a little slide from 4 to 5 to 4 on the 4th string, up and down to the 2nd on the 4th. Right. So now we've got that 2nd bit, and we go from the beginning of the solo, okay? There's another slide from 2 to 4 and back to 2 on the 4th string, D, and that's my solo. It's short and sweet, slightly different but similar to the original. Okay, so right from the end of the 2nd chorus, it goes, funny how it feels, I'm not just getting used to the best years, yeah. The older I get. go into the bridge section. And I don't mind G or the D. So it's G to D, okay? It comes out of that. And I don't G mind all the D lines from all the 8 times I've left and D cried. So, and I don't G mind all the D lines from 8 times I've left and D cried. To the G is a little D signs of life I've lived. And then we're going into the final verse. Okay, so once again the bridge comes out of the solo, and I don't G mind or D the times all the 8 times I've left and D cried. To the G is a little D signs of the life I live. Another verse. The older I get, the longer I pray. I don't know why, I guess that I got more to say. And the older I get, the more thankful I feel for the life I've had and all the life I'm living still. Now just play the intro again. Okay, and that's how I ended it. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls, my take on The Older I Get from Alan Jackson. Bit of country and western, 3 chords for you there, nice and easy. Some fiddly little lead bits to keep your interest. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.